Okay, so to build a decentralized application on blockchain easily, we can use some tools. So one of them is this truffle. So truffle is basically a it's like a tool which we can use to easily deploy a smart contract to the blockchain, and we can also test a smart contract and also do a lot of other steps. So first let us install this truffle. To install this, just go to the truffle suite page, and here if you go to the installation you can see the process. So here you have to do you have this command, you have to run this command, npm install truffle. So for this you need the node.js, so you can easily download it by whichever OS you are having, and then you can easily download it, and after that you can run this command on your uh, command prompt, so that will install the truffle. So one more thing that you need is to have a blockchain that's a local blockchain. So you can use this thing called as Ganache, so you can download it over here. And yeah, so these two will be our dependencies. So let's start building the actual application.
So now before building the app, so let's see the demo, like what we are actually building. So I have deployed the smart contract on the blockchain, so I'll show that later. So now let's see the front end part of it. So this is the your front end application which will be running on this local host, and these are the three fields. So let's add some of the fields. So I'll give you the ID as 30, then I'll give a name. Then for the USN I'll give, and now so these three fields are entered, and when I click on submit, so you can see this MetaMask transaction which will be coming. And now when I click on confirm, so you can see the message has been popped up as added. So now, so the thing is, though, this data has been added to blockchain. So in order to see that, let's go to the blockchain. I have opened this Gunner. So if you go to the blocks, so here you can see the recent blocks which have been added. So I just click on this, and if I go to the transaction hash, so here you can see this was the function called, and this was the data which was added to the blockchain. So this is the ID, name, and the USN which we have passed. So the data which we have passed from the front end has been added to the blockchain. So this is a very simple application, but it will give you like the basic concepts which are very important in order to build other applications on using these concepts. Truffle for easier compilation and deployment of your uh, contract onto the blockchain on the various different blockchain. So